Now today I am back over at Williford, Pitt, and Sylvan Springs. Just wanted to check out what the water levels are looking like and how clear the springs are, since we've been getting quite a bit of rain off and on here for the last couple of weeks. Econfina is still pretty high, but believe it or not, the springs are actually quite clear. The clarity really looks nice. So if you're interested in coming over here to just the springs, I'd say it's okay. Now, I have seen some people canoeing down Econfina, but it is moving quite fast. So if you do that, make sure you're wearing your PFDs and make sure your family and all knows where you're at, and go together as a group if you can. Econfina Creek is still pretty high. As you can see, the water's running over this platform. They're doing some sort of construction at Williford Springs. I'm not exactly sure what, but we'll take a look. We won't get in the way and see what they're doing. I know they have been replacing a lot of the railings. I'm not sure if they're going to be doing some new buildings or pavilions or what, but we'll check that out and see. It looks like we might be replacing the staircase or some of the concrete around it, from what I can tell. Yeah, I think they're redoing the stairs. But there's Williford. You can see the bowl right in the middle. And it extends well on out to Econfina. They do not allow kayaks to come back up in here, so this is all swimming area. They've got this part closed off so you can't get in from Econfina, because they're doing some work on Williford. And
what time of the year did you come to this one 2 years ago?
you're actually not supposed to go in where they're at on a canoe, but
7 years ago, I guess, and then or more, and then once about 3 years ago.
what's up, y'all? Doing all right?
No, like, this is a parking area up there. That looks much easier than this.
Yeah, I hope they hurry up and get done. They're redoing that park up there. Yeah. If you don't know what that is, don't touch it. I just hope I don't catch it. All I gotta do is walk by and smell it or see it. It's growing all over the place out here. Last time I came, it was died back because it was cold weather. But it's everywhere. So you better, if you take this trail, you better wear long pants.